If you don't know this skill, quit editing.
So this is called 3D camera movement, and you can make videos like this. People are paying over tons of dollars for this type of edits. Let me explain you real quick.
3D means 3 dimensions. This movement is called X movement. This is called Y movement. And this is called Z movement. Open Alight Motion for the tutorial. First of all, make your setup. Here you guys can see that the objects are overlapping upon each other and has the Z value 0. If you decrease the value of Z, it will move towards the camera. For example, this is you. If you move towards the camera, you just move closer to it. You don't grow big in size. Now follow the steps to make this simple transition. Import camera and apply keyframes. To make the transition smooth, you can apply graphs. That's it. Congratulations, you have learned the basics of 3D camera movement. Thanks for watching.